Welcome to Learn Haitian Creole like a newborn, to speak it like a native. Today, we're going to take a look at the pronouns in Haitian Creole from the first, second, and third person, and then look at the plural forms of them. Right. Haitian Creole is pretty straightforward. For the pronouns, the first one is moi. And note that in Haitian Creole, whether it's subject or object, it doesn't change, right? And also they use them for possessive forms. The only thing you need to pay attention to when you're expressing it with a verb, it precedes the verb. And when you use it to indicate possession, it follows the possessed items. Okay, so the first person, moi, will translate in English I, my, and me. Examples. Moi content, I am happy. Literally, I happy. And then leave moi, that means my book. Ban moi li. Give me it. It means give it to me. All right, these are the three forms, but they're all translated by moi. Moi content, leave moi, ban moi li. That's the first person singular. But for plural of that, you will go to the plural form. It's nous, translated in English by we or our, and then us, right? So it would be nous contents, we're happy, and leave nous, our book, leave nous, our book, and then give it to us would be ban nous li, give it to us, or literally would be give us it. Ban nous li, give it to us, right? Nous contents, leave nous, ban nous li. That's it for the first person. Now the second person, you. Like in English, you is the same that you is singular and plural, right? You for singular, and then you plural as well. But in Haitian Creole, second person, it's ou. That's kind of close if you think about it. Ou, just without the Y. Ou, that's you. Now, ou content, that means you are happy. Leave nous, our book, or ba ou li. All right, give you it. But that's usually would be used in a question form. Do you want me to give it to you? Like bauli? You want me to give it to you? Bauli? Or bauli, give you it, give it to you. All right, that will be the second person singular. Bauli. Now the plural would be ba nous li. But when you asking them, but in English it would be like you guys. Give it to you guys. All right, that would be the sense you use it. So ba nous li, nous content. Are you guys happy? Leave nous or c'est leave nous. Are these your book or is this your book? And ba nous li, do you want me to give it to you? Ba nous li. So that would be that form. Nous. Singular ou ba ou li, and ba nous li, give it to you, you. All right, now the third person. The third person is li. That stands for he, she, and him, her, or with when it's a complement, and then it. Example: li content. He's happy, or she's happy, or it is happy. And leave li, his book or her book, and ba li li. That means give it, or give him it, or give her it. Ba li li, because li is it, all right? So ba li li, give it to her, give it to her. Plural form is yo. So third person plural would be yo. Yo content, they're happy. Leave yo, their book. Ba yo li, like give them it. Ba yo li, give it to them. All right, ba yo li. All right, summary. A final review. First person, singular. Mwen content, livre moi, ban moi li. Plural, nous content, livre nous, ba nous li. Second person, ou content, livre vous, ba ou li. Plural, nous content, livre nous, ba nous li. Third person, singular. Li. Li content, livre li, ba li. Plural, yo. Yo content, leave yo, buy yo li. Keep on practicing. I hope that helped you. That's all you need as far as pronouns concerned for Haitian Creole. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.